Now we do everything we can not to stress this baby out too much, but at the same time, we have to keep a hold of her. That's it. That's it. Notice if she starts struggling back too much, we try to grab her with one hand around the body. We don't want to put too much stress on her little head and neck. That's it. Now we're just going to lead her over here and get a lead rope for her. Now this lead rope is going to help us stay in control of her head, but more importantly, stay in control of her butt.